Which has a proportional relationship between x and y with a ratio of 1 to 3. So the 1 is our x and the 3 is our y. So we look over here, x to y, and we have 1 to 3. So that matches 1 to 3 and 1 to 3. So all are possibilities with the simplified ratio. So here we have from 1 to 2. We're going to multiply by 2. So 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 2 is 5. That's incorrect. On the second one, 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. That's correct. I said 1 times 3 would be 3. 3 times 3 would be 9. So that column, that ratio is also. So B is proportionate. C, 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. That's correct. So 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is not 9. So our only answer is B.